and welcome. You are watching Commodity Today English, your trusted source for latest updates from the global agriculture and commodity markets. I am Palak Singh, and today we are looking at why global wheat prices are fluctuating as traders weigh rising Black Sea risk against weaker US export demand, and what this could mean for the global grain market. Let's get started. Global wheat prices are witnessing increase in volatile after touching a 2-year high earlier this week. The market is currently being driven by two opposing forces, escalating geopolitical tension in the Black Sea region and the weaker than expected wheat export sales from the United States. So, what's behind this price movement? The first factor is the growing uncertainty in the Black Sea region. Russia and Ukraine are among the world's largest wheat exporters, and renewed attacks on ports, commercial vessels, and grain export infrastructure have raised concern over the smooth movement of wheat shipments. Traders fear that any prolonged disruption to Black Sea export could tighten global supply, leading to higher wheat prices. The second factor is weaker US export demand. Recent US wheat export sales have fallen short for market expectation, reducing buying momentum and preventing prices from rising even further. As a result, traders are balancing supply risk from the Black Sea against the softer demand from the world's largest agriculture exporter. What does this mean for global market? If tension in Black Sea continue to escalate, wheat supplies from Russia and Ukraine could face further disruption. This would increase uncertainty in global grain markets and could keep wheat prices volatile in the coming weeks. However, stronger exports from other producing nations could help offset some of the supply concerns. So, what does this mean for India? Although India is not a major player in global wheat export market compared to Russia or Ukraine, continued volatile in international wheat prices could create export opportunities if global supply tightens. At the same time, higher global prices may also influence domestic grain markets and trade sentiment. The next few weeks will be crucial. Much will be depend on how the situation in Black Sea evolves and whether global wheat shipments continue without major disruption. Any further escalation could keep global grain markets on edge. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching Commodity Today English.